What if I told you the most powerful Golf GTI ever made is here, and it's called the Edition 50? Yep, the iconic hot hatch just turned 50, and Volkswagen is celebrating with something truly special. The 2026 Golf GTI Edition 50 isn't just a tribute, it's a performance-packed evolution. It's louder, sharper, smarter, and more aggressive than any GTI before it. From the engine bay to the digital cockpit, this car is turning heads and dropping jaws. So, what makes this Golf so special compared to the regular one? Is it just a badge and some red trim? Or is there real performance behind the hype? In this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know. We'll cover the specs, the story, the upgrades, and even the controversy. So stick around. Whether you're a lifelong GTI fan or just car curious, this one's for you. Let's get rolling with the legend reborn. Before we break down what's new, let's take a quick ride through GTI history. The original Golf GTI debuted in 1976, creating the hot hatch segment almost by accident. It was quick, light, practical, and just plain fun, an everyday car with a racing heart. Since then, Volkswagen has evolved the GTI through 8 generations. Each one pushed the envelope just a bit more, but stayed true to its roots. Now, with the Edition 50, VW is honoring 5 decades of performance and innovation. And that legacy carries serious weight among car lovers around the world. The Golf GTI isn't just a car, it's a symbol of smart speed and clever engineering. So when they say Edition 50, expectations are sky high. Let's find out if it lives up to the name. Because history is cool, but performance is cooler. Let's talk power, because this Golf GTI doesn't mess around. The Edition 50 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It now delivers a beefy 262 horsepower, making it the most powerful GTI to date. That's 20 more horses than the standard Golf 8 GTI, and you feel it immediately. Torque figures haven't been officially confirmed yet, but expect around 273 lb-ft. The car can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5.9 seconds, and top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. It comes standard with a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission, optimized for snappy shifts. And yes, there's an upgraded limited-slip differential for maximum traction. The chassis is stiffer, the steering is quicker, and the ride is more planted. This isn't just a fast hatch, it's a precision tool for both road and track. Think of it as a GTI turned up to 11. From the outside, the Edition 50 makes its presence known with subtle aggression. You'll spot the exclusive 19-inch Richmond wheels, lightweight, forged, and sharp-looking. Red accents return on the brake, calipers, grille, and badging, classic GTI DNA. The rear features a twin-pipe exhaust and a subtle spoiler to complete the sporty vibe. But it's not overdone. It's sleek, clean, and full of purpose. Volkswagen also added Edition 50 badging to the B-pillar and inside the door sills. You can choose from a few iconic colors, including King's Red and Oryx White. Lighting is all LED, with the IQ light matrix headlights as standard. There's also a blacked-out roof option for an even more aggressive look. Aerodynamics have been tweaked for better downforce and less drag. It's evolution, not revolution, and it works beautifully. Step inside, and you'll feel the Edition 50's performance focus right away. It gets sports seats with red contrast stitching and GTI embossed on the headrests. A flat-bottom steering wheel features paddle shifters and a red 12 o'clock marker. The digital cockpit is fully customizable and now faster and easier to use. A 12.9-inch infotainment screen sits at the center, running the latest VW software. Thankfully, physical volume sliders and buttons have returned. Finally, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are wireless and standard. You also get a head-up display and a 10-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. Everything feels modern, but with that GTI twist, form and function combined. Even the ambient lighting has special Edition 50 themes. It's both a tech hub and a driving machine. On the road, the Edition 50 feels like it's always ready to pounce. The throttle response is razor-sharp, and the gearbox is lightning quick. Even in comfort mode, it stays alert and composed. Flick into sport or individual mode, and it transforms into a proper backroad weapon. The adaptive dampers adjust in milliseconds, giving you confidence in corners. The steering is heavier and more direct, no slop, just precision. Braking is strong and progressive, even after repeated hard stops. There's a certain playfulness in how it handles. It wants you to push, but it's also refined enough for daily driving without punishing your spine. That dual personality is what GTIs are all about, and the Edition 50 nails it better than ever. Here comes the big question: how much does it cost? Volkswagen hasn't officially confirmed the US price yet, but in Europe, it starts at around 48,000 euros, which could translate to around 52,000 US dollars. That's a premium over the standard GTI, no doubt about it. But you're also getting more power, better tech, and exclusivity. Only a limited number will be made, making it a potential collector's item. VW plans to launch the car globally in mid to late 2025. Expected to hit select dealerships in the US shortly after that. Pre-orders may be available depending on your region. If you want one, you might want to act fast. These won't sit around. This isn't just a car, it's a celebration on wheels. So how does the Edition 50 stack up against its rivals? It's quicker than the Hyundai Elantra N and more refined than the Honda Civic Type R. It's also more practical and less aggressive looking than both. The Toyota GR Corolla may offer more raw fun, but lacks the interior polish. Then there's the Golf R. Yes, it has AWD and more power, but also more weight. The GTI Edition 50 stays true to the FWD hot hatch formula. It's the best blend of balance, power, and everyday usability in the segment. Plus, its heritage and limited status give it an edge in character. It's not trying to be a track monster, it's trying to be the ultimate GTI. And in that mission, it just might succeed. So is it the best GTI ever? Possibly. Let's break it down. What are the highs and lows? Highs: more power, exclusive. Features: improved infotainment and serious street presence. Lows: it's expensive for a GTI, and some purists might miss the manual gearbox. Still, the DSG performs so well, it's hard to complain. You also won't find a lot of flashy gimmicks. It's a mature, focused car. This is a GTI for grown-ups who still want to have fun. It's a car that respects the past, but looks boldly to the future. Everything about it feels considered and purposeful. If you're after the ultimate daily driver performance car, this could be it. It won't scream for attention, but real enthusiasts will know exactly what it is. That's the magic of the GTI badge. So what do you think? Has Volkswagen nailed the 50th anniversary GTI? Would you choose it over a Golf R or Civic Type R? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button and hit subscribe. We've got more deep dives coming on the hottest cars, the wildest tech, and the best of performance culture. The 2026 Golf GTI Edition 50 isn't just a special edition, it's a statement. It proves that even in a world of EVs and SUVs, the hot hatch still has a place. And for those of us who love driving, that's something worth celebrating. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep it fast, fun, and full of fuel. Catch you in the next video, and until then, drive safe and stay curious. GTI forever.